Talk to you today a little bit about some of our trim fixtures. This might look a little boring, but those two pins right there, those are very important. Those are our locator pins. Every one of our molds, every one of our fixtures gets the same exact pattern to go onto this trim fixture right here. That's our vacuum trim fixture that holds this in place, holds our magnets, hold our holsters in place, and then that CNC cuts everything out. We'll go over that in a little bit. So now you saw the CNC work. We're going to take our magnets off the piece. Now we have our waste, and we have a holster shell that's already drilled and trimmed and ready to go off to be folded and polished and washed and assembled. So as you can see, the CNC gets a little loud here sometimes. But what it does for us is it does multiple parts all at the same time. It does multiple operations. We get to do all the holes exactly the same. We get to do all the trimming exactly the same. And it gets to do it all by itself. And I can just load the next piece while I'm maybe doing something else. One of the beauties of the CNC is it works all the time. Just do a little maintenance on it and it constantly works for us. But I can program that and it can do the same year after year without any problem. That's the beauty of it. No human error. One of the beauties of having our CNC equipment and our 3D printer capabilities is we're able to create our 3D trim fixtures. Our 3D printed trim fixtures allow us the ability to hold the holster shell down on the CNC machine. The magnets hold it in place. The vacuum fixture holds the trim fixture in place so it's repeatable. That's the key, being repeatable. They're low cost. We don't have to print them out. We don't have to cut them on the CNC out of HDPE. We can just print another one out of PLA. They work great. They hold everything down. Simple.